to WD Microbit Smart Car Steam Educational Robotics Kit. It's time to try it out on your BBC Microbit. Download your program from the editor on your computer. In both the Make Code and Python editors. Your program needs to be downloaded as a hex. Transfer the program from your computer to your microbit, where it is stored in its memory. We call this flashing because the microbit stores your program in its flash memory. To do this, plug your micro USB cable into the USB port at the top of your microbit. Then plug the other end of the cable into the USB socket on your computer. You will see your microbit appear on your computer like a USB drive. Look for microbit as the program is copied across. You'll see the light flash on your microbit. Then, once it stops flashing, you can test out your microbit creation.